The American Revolution didn't start with armies, it started with a secret movement. Protests, boycotts, midnight raids. The Sons of Liberty turned anger into action, and action into revolution. This is the story of the group that lit the fuse. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history found in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In colonial Boston, British soldiers patrolled the streets, believing order was under control, yet Patriot eyes and ears were everywhere. The Sons of Liberty were more than loud protesters. They were a disciplined underground network built on secrecy, trust, and intelligence. Inside taverns like the Green Dragon Tavern, tankards clinked while whispered conversations carried plans of resistance. Dockworkers, sailors, and shopkeepers quietly gathered vital intelligence, troop movements, ship arrivals, and supply routes, passing it along through coded messages, memorized reports, and signals using timing and lantern light. There were no paper trails and no second chances. Discovery meant prison or death. Taverns became command centers, messengers became lifelines, and silence became survival. Long before muskets fired and battles were fought, the revolution in Boston was already underway, won not by force alone, but by secrets that set a nation in motion.